Starting this edition with some breaking news coming in. Another development in the Sheena Bora mysterious death. Now we're given to understand that Indrani Mukherjee, one of the accused in this case, her lawyer has now come out and told Republic TV that in fact the government officer who had given the information first to Indrani Mukherjee that Sheena Bora was alive and was in fact in Jammu and Kashmir has given further details of the meeting that took place. In fact, she claims, Indrani says that the inmate told her that Sheena Bora and she met on 24th of June 2021 in Dal Lake in Srinagar. In fact, the inmate, who is a government officer who's been arrested in another case, is willing to record a detailed statement before the Central Bureau of Investigation. In fact, this matter is going to come up for the hearing where these submissions would be made. In fact, Indrani Mukherjee has now written to the director of the Central Bureau of Investigation requesting that the inmate who had given the information first that Sheena Bora is alive, her statement should be recorded by the Central Bureau of Investigation. As of now, the CBI has not taken cognizance. However, the prayer that has been made by Indrani Mukherjee's lawyer that CBI should suo moto take cognizance of this entire matter and record the statement. Now, as far as the agency is concerned, remember, this case where the charge sheet has already been filed, a trial is underway. There has been no directions really coming in from the enforcement, from the Central Bureau of Investigation, and the court hasn't really intervened. Keeping that in mind, it is very unlikely that the CBI will act on this unless there is some sort of a direction coming in from the court. Now, these are the latest details coming in. In fact, the latest now being that the lawyer claiming that this inmate had told Indrani that she met Sheena Bora on 24th of June 2021 in Dal Lake. Listen in to the interview given by Indrani Mukherjee's lawyer to Republic TV.
I'm joined by Indrani Mukherjee advocate Sana Khan. Sana, as you met your already client and the revelation she has made over the Sheena Bora, she has stated that the inmate has already informed her that Sheena Bora is alive and is in Srinagar. Now, you recently met your client. What are the information, if you can reveal, if you can tell us?
Yes, my client has informed me that that lady officer has informed her that she met Sheena on 24th June 2021 in Srinagar. So she's informed me the exact date now, and that lady officer is also willing and ready to record a statement before the CBI.
What more of the information which is being provided to the agency or to the police official? Is there any official letter? Because we know that the application has been given by the Indrani Mukherjee to the CBI, but it is a matter like under the sub judice. So is there any application which has been made before the court?
No. As of now, no application has been moved. Yes, she has sent a letter to the CBI, and hopefully on the next date she is likely to be produced also in the court. So let's hope. Let's see. We are likely to make an application on the next date.
Indrani itself is going to depose before the court and going to reveal all the information.
She's also ready to make her submissions personally also in the court.
And if you can give the details, what exactly, apart from the date you have mentioned and the place, if any other information you can?
As of now, I cannot divulge more details. But the case, to be very honest, is very good on merits as well. We have already moved Supreme Court and have already filed appeal on merits. Also.
When is the Supreme Court hearing and what will be the point of argument?
No, as of now, I have already moved Supreme Court. SLP has been filed. And yes, one of the major inconsistencies is that the skull in 2012 during the post-mortem, the